Hey, what's happening guys? Hope you all are doing well. This is Tito back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the AOSiP ROM, which is based on Android 8.1. I did a previous video on that ROM which was 7.1 I guess. Here will be a card. So without further any more delay, let's make it happen. So first, you need to go to this XDA thread to download this ROM and GApps. Links for these will be listed in the description box below, so do not worry. And before proceeding, make sure to back up everything from your device. And to do this, you need to have an officially unlocked bootloader and TWRP recovery installed. And make sure you are doing this on your own risk. So, as I have downloaded the ROM and GApps file already on my phone, and I am on CipherOS right now, so let's boot the phone into TWRP recovery. As you can see, I am on TWRP 3.0.2/2 right now. So now let's go to wipe and advanced wipe. Now check cache, Dalvik cache, system and data. Now swipe to wipe. Now go back, go to install, select the ROM and GApps file and swipe to confirm flash. Well, here I faced error 7 because we need to be on the latest TWRP recovery to flash this ROM. So here is how to install latest TWRP with older TWRP. In case you did not know it, here you go. Once you flash the latest TWRP recovery, go back, hit reboot. Then after you feel a vibration, just hold the volume up and the power button together to boot into the new TWRP recovery. Okay, so now as you can see, I am successfully updated to official TWRP 3.2.1/0, and as I have done the wiping already, so now just hit install, locate the ROM and GApps file again, select them and just swipe to confirm flash and wait for it. Once the flashing is done, just hit reboot system. Here we have the amazing boot animation of AOSiP ROM. Now as we are booted up into the system, let me complete the setup process. As I am done with the setup process now, here we have the launcher 3 as default launcher, so let's see how is it. Here are the settings of this launcher if you are into that. These are the apps this ROM comes preloaded with, except for UC browser and wallpaper app. They are there because I am restoring my Google app data backup. Now let's jump to the settings to see how does the about section looks like. Here we have the Project Illusion logo on top. By tapping on it, you will see the developers and contributors name. So huge thanks to each and every one of you for giving us this amazing ROM. Well, why I am calling this ROM amazing already? You will get to know that, just watch the video till the end. As you can see, the ROM is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And we have January 5th 2018 security patch here. And the stock kernel here is Dominator kernel. Now let's jump into the customizations of this ROM, which lies inside this Owl's Nest settings. From here we can customize status bar, quick settings panel and a hell lot more. Tapping on status bar, the settings force stopped on me, and then I had to enter my PIN to unlock the device from the soft reboot. But do note that it happened only for that one time. Afterwards, this issue is gone. Even I tried going back and going to the status bar customization settings again. As you can see, the issue of force stopping is gone now. From here, you can tweak with carrier level. Now we have icons. From here, you can enable or disable any icon to show up or not in status bar. This is a data traffic monitor, but I use internet speed meter app, so I am not gonna use it. Here we have the quick settings panel settings, and from here you can turn on or off quick pull down, brightness slider, etc. In notification, you can customize the notification LED, disable or enable heads up. And you can even blacklist an app from throwing notifications on you. From navigation, of course, you can enable on-screen software buttons if you want that. I don't use them, so I'm gonna leave it disabled. Next, we have hardware button settings. From here, you can customize power button or even enable advanced reboot option like this. What is this hot reboot? I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments down below. And you can customize the volume buttons. From here, you can totally disable the hardware buttons if you wanna use software buttons only. Like this, as you can see, now the hardware buttons doesn't work. And you can set custom actions for each home, menu and back buttons. In recents, we have clear all button. This is much needed. From lock screen, of course you can customize lock screen stuff. From gestures, you can enable double tap to sleep on the lock screen or status bar. And we have the 3-finger gesture for screenshot here, which is awesome. In advanced settings, we have some more options. At this point, I tried to place a call via Geo4G VoLTE, but it was not connecting. After a reboot, it started working fine. Here is the demo. Now I am installing the modded Pixel launcher, which is my favorite. Now let's try the FaceUnlock here and see how is it. Let me configure it first.
Get on it. Done. It's my time. Ladies and gentlemen, bass.
Okay, so as you can see, FaceUnlock is working amazingly well here, and even it gets you directly to the home screen, which is awesome. Now let me quickly take a picture to show you guys how is the quality. Here we have the end-to-end Geekbench score if you are into that, and on the right side we have the lock screen charging status. And I feel the haptic feedback of this ROM is tad bit on the harsh side, but don't get me wrong, it is not too harsh. And I could not find an option to control the amount of vibration in this ROM yet. This is the display settings, and we do not have the color or theming option for the user interface yet. And in the sound settings, as you can see, we have no option to control the vibration, as I told you earlier. In the battery settings, we do have the percentage option here. So, conclusion, should you flash this ROM? Heck yes, if you want that amazing FaceUnlock. Well, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, hotspot, FPC fingerprint scanner, torch, camera, everything is working super fine in this ROM, no issues whatsoever. I did not find any bug in this ROM yet. I will post about the battery life later on Twitter, but first impressions, it should be pretty good. And in my opinion, this custom ROM will only get better from this point.
So that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the big thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel right here if you love my work. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.